Hello, I am Karthik Rajashekharan, demonstrating the products and cloud services developed by DhruthZuci Tech Solutions. We help enterprises modernize operations using secure cloud platforms and industry-specific SaaS solutions. DhruthZuci Tech Solutions provides end-to-end cloud services including cloud migration, cloud-native application development, DevOps automation, data platforms, and managed cloud operations. We work with modern cloud architectures to help organizations improve scalability, security, and cost efficiency. One of our key cloud-based products is MWM, a modern workforce management platform. MWM helps organizations manage workforce operations such as task allocation, issue tracking, support workflows, and operational visibility using a centralized cloud system. MWM is built on a scalable cloud architecture and is actively used by organizations to improve operational efficiency. Another flagship product is MedzHub, a healthcare-focused cloud platform. MedzHub enables healthcare organizations to digitally manage workflows, patient-related operations, and internal processes in a secure and compliant cloud environment. MedzHub demonstrates our strength in building domain-specific SaaS products with data security and performance at scale. What makes DhruthZuci Tech unique is our ability to combine cloud engineering with deep domain understanding. Unlike generic service providers, we build and operate our own cloud platforms like MWM and MedzHub, giving us real-world innovation and proven cloud implementations. We serve startups, SMEs, and enterprise clients across multiple industries. Our customers value our reliability, continuous support, and ability to customize solutions for real operational needs. Our platforms are actively used in live business environments with repeat customers and continuous deployments. This traction validates the practical value of our cloud products and services. Thank you.